Yo! Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is going to be $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Taco Bell going about 3 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Okay, this is it.
Could I get some medium sauces? Thank you. What does that say? Please leave your Venmo so I can give you a $5 tip tomorrow. Okay. So I've come to terms that this is a no tip, but on the off chance that they actually mean what they said, I'll do the thing. Total for that was $5 and change. Potentially $10 and change. And we got the next order right away. This is a McDonald's going 2 miles.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that is lovely. No tip on that one. Total for that was $3 and change. Wow. Anyways, got this next one right away. This is the Human Bean. This one's high mileage, so probably gonna be just as bad. This one is going 8 miles. Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. I'm pretty sure I was there yesterday. I think this is a no tip. Yeah, this guy ordered from somewhere really far away yesterday too. That's gonna be a no tip. Total for that was $8 and change. Next order up is a Starbucks going less than a mile.
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, that's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yep, have a good day.
You too.
Okay, finally someone's tipping, but unfortunately that was such a short order, it's still gonna be low. So total for that one was $5 and change. Heading back to that same Starbucks. This one is going 2.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, come on. They just tried to give me an order that was $8 going 1 mile. Like, I would have taken that easily if they gave it to me 3 minutes from now. Because if I take it right now, I'm gonna be late to the restaurant since I still have to drop this off. Total for that order was $8. Okay, pretty good. Probably the best order I've had today so far. Still sad I couldn't take the other order right after though. Next up, got a stack going to 2 different people. Oh, it's 2 different restaurants too. This is Starbucks and McDonald's. $12 going just under 7 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Love it when people say meet at door and then just don't meet me at the door. Next order up is a Starbucks, $10 going 4.5 miles.
All right, for Danielle.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. Been a few minutes since that last order, but we finally got the next one. This is a Burger King going 4 miles. You too. And yet another no tip. Total for that one was $4. Yay! Just got the next order. This is another Starbucks. This one is going 3 miles. Thank you. I like your hair color, by the way.
Thank you.
Where are you going, bro? Total for that one was $5 and change. I like how that squirrel brought me right to their doorstep. Literally hopped up the stairs right before me. Kind of felt bad because I felt like I was cornering it, but it jumped onto the roof, so we're all good. Anyways, got this one right away. This is a McDonald's, $7 going 4 miles. Got this right away. This is a gravity coffee going 7.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. And that was a no tip. What are we doing today? Come on. Total for that one was $8 and change. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 2 miles. Thank you. Total for that was $5. It's not like it's not busy or anything. I think I've declined maybe 50 orders in the past 10 minutes. They're just not worth taking. They're all bad. Like this one. Taco Bell, $5 and change going 6 miles. No. McDonald's, $2 going 1 mile. No. Shop and deliver for Target, $34 going 12 miles across the river. 3 items. That was almost a maybe, but one of the items is clothing, and I'm not gonna shop for clothes. Burger King, $6 going just under 9 miles. Nope. Napa Auto Parts, $5 going 10 miles. Nope. Shop and deliver for Albertsons, $8 going 12 miles, 3 items. Nope. GoPuff Delivery, $5 going 13 miles. Nope. Black Rock Coffee, $7 going 5 miles. Nope. Shop and deliver for Safeway, $5 and change, 4 miles, 1 item. Nope. Keep in mind, all of those that I just read off have been in the span of 6 minutes. Oh, here we go. Got a stacked Starbucks, $14 going 5 miles. That one I will take. That's a really good one, actually. What's that? Nope. Fred Meyer's Shop and Deliver. No, thank you. We got Sarah and Caroline. Oh, okay, there you go. Thank you. Wowee. One of those was a no tip, and the other one tipped $10. All right, time to go home. Current time is 9:32. Total ended up with 69. How? Oh, I know how. Nobody tipped. Oh my goodness. I did not think it was that bad. Okay. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.